Hey Sophie, are you still planning that trip to the US?
Yup, I'm flying next month. Can't wait.
That's awesome. You should brush up on American slang before you go.
Really? Is it that different from standard English?
Oh, yeah, totally. Americans use tons of slang in daily conversations.
Like what? Give me an example.
Okay, like instead of saying very good, they might say dope or sick.
Wait, sick means good.
Yup, that concert was sick means it was amazing.
That's confusing. I think someone's ill.
I know, right? That's why you need to learn these before going.
Any other common ones?
Tons. Like chill means relax, let's chill means hang out and do nothing intense.
That sounds useful. What if someone says no cap?
No cap means I'm not lying or I'm serious.
Wow, that's so different. What's the opposite?
Just cap, it means a lie. That's cap means that's not true.
Interesting. What about food slang?
Grub means food. I need some grub equals I'm hungry.
I like that one. How about coffee?
They just say a cup of joe for coffee.
Cute. What do they say for money?
Bucks means dollars. This costs $10 means $10.
That one I've heard in movies.
Yep, and loaded means rich. He's loaded means he has a lot of money.
Got it. What if I want to say something is great?
You can say awesome, lit, or fire, all mean really good.
Fire. Isn't that dangerous?
In slang, it means something's amazing or super cool.
Good to know. What about people?
Dude is common for anyone, especially guys. Bro is also used a lot.
Can I say dude to a girl?
Sometimes, depends on the vibe, but be careful, some might find it too casual.
What's vibe?
It's like the mood or feeling. This place has a good vibe.
That makes sense. And if I say I'm down, what does that mean?
It means you agree or are okay with something, like, I'm down to eat pizza.
Cool, and hang out just means spend time together.
Exactly, very commonly used.
What if someone says my bad?
That means I'm sorry or my mistake.
Nice. Any slang for being tired?
Yeah, I'm beat or I'm wiped out.
And if I want to go to sleep?
You can say crash, like I'm gonna crash early tonight.
That's funny. What if I really like something?
Say I'm obsessed with it or I'm all about it.
And if I don't like it?
Say it's not my thing or I'm not feeling it.
This is so helpful. I'd be totally lost without these.
Yeah, if you talk like a textbook, people might look at you funny. Then throw in some slang naturally. Just don't overdo it.
Got it. Is whatever rude?
It can be, depending on how you say it. Like ooh, whatever, sounds dismissive.
I'll be careful then. What does that's legit mean?
It means it's real or awesome, that burger place is legit.
What's the meaning of cringe?
Something awkward or embarrassing. That dance was so cringe.
What if I'm really excited?
Say I'm hyped or I'm pumped.
Oh, I've seen I'm shook too.
That means shocked or surprised.
And what if something's boring?
Just say it's lame or that was a snooze fest.
Okay, last one. What's slay?
It means someone did really well, like she slayed that outfit.
Perfect, I feel ready now.
You'll blend in with the locals in no time.
Thanks, Alex. You're the real MVP.
Ha ha, anytime. Just don't forget to vibe and enjoy the ride.
Hey Liam, guess what I learned on my last trip?
What happened? Another crazy adventure.
Sort of. I ditched TripAdvisor completely.
Wait, seriously, but that's your go-to app.
Not anymore. I found way better places just by talking to locals.
That actually sounds smart. How did you do it?
I just asked taxi drivers, street vendors, and shopkeepers where they eat or hang out.
That's brave. I usually stick to reviews.
Reviews can be helpful, but they're often flooded by tourists.
True. And some top-rated spots feel overrated.
Exactly. The local noodle shop I found wasn't even on the map and it was amazing.
So you went completely off-grid.
Kind of. I used a basic map, but skipped the big tourist apps.
What about safety? Weren't you worried?
Little, but I stayed in safe neighborhoods and asked locals for tips.
I usually stick to touristy areas just to feel secure.
I get that. But sometimes, locals know the safest and most authentic places.
That's a good point. Did you discover anything really unexpected?
Oh yes, I found a secret garden behind a temple. No signs, no tourists, just birds and quiet.
That sounds magical.
It really was. A grandma sweeping the area invited me for tea.
No way, that's better than any travel blog.
I swear, those tiny interactions were the highlight of my trip.
I'm honestly jealous. I usually follow travel influencers.
I used to as well. But now I realize they all go to the same Instagrammable spots.
True. And then those places get overcrowded.
Exactly. And the real charm gets lost.
So how do you start talking to locals?
Just smile, say hello, and ask simple questions. People love to share.
What if there's a language barrier?
Body language helps a lot. And Google Translate is your best friend.
I always forget about that. Did anyone get annoyed?
Nope. Most people were super kind and curious about me.
Did you try any local dishes this way?
Tons. I had grilled banana leaves with sticky rice from a roadside stall. Unreal.
And it's not on TripAdvisor.
Not even close. No name, no website. Just delicious.
That's so cool. I need to try this on my next trip.
You should. You'll feel like a real traveler, not just a tourist.
Did you stay in hotels or with locals?
Mix. But I booked a night with a local family through a small app I found.
Was it weird?
Not at all. They were so welcoming. Taught me to cook one of their dishes.
That's such a different experience.
It made me appreciate the culture more deeply.
Honestly, TripAdvisor never gave me that.
Right? It's helpful, but not everything.
So should I delete it?
Maybe not delete, but don't rely on it too much.
Got it. Use it as a backup.
Exactly. Let curiosity lead you instead.
I like that. Travel with curiosity, not a checklist.
Yes, and be open to surprises.
What about hidden spots in cities?
I walked aimlessly for a bit each day. That's how I found cool alleys and cafes.
Sounds relaxing too.
It really was. No pressure to do it all.
I always stress about missing out.
FOMO ruins travel. Just live the moment.
I need to change my mindset.
It takes practice, but it's worth it.
I'm actually excited to try this.
Where are you headed next?
Thinking of USA.
Perfect place to ditch the apps and follow your instincts.
Okay, challenge accepted.
Yay! And text me your favorite local finds.
Deal. No more tourist traps.
That's the spirit. Thank you for learning with us. Consistent practice leads to real improvement. Continue engaging with English daily, and your confidence will grow naturally. See you next time.